Uh, I put the bars back on and wouldn't start. It's usually it's a rookie mistake on my part. I don't know. I've seen enough of them. This when you put the master cylinder back on, kind of make sure that the clamp isn't pinching the housing here. This one's pinched a little bit, and pop the fuse in there and cranked it probably twice. Worked fine. Loosened it up, took the master cylinder off, put a new fuse in there. Worked fine. You're gonna have to split this open right here and probably throw some tape on that wire. I don't know if you can really see this or not. Let me see if I can zoom in a little finer on that thing. Would be better. You can feel it right here. There's a little indent in the bar there. Sometimes if you don't hold the harness just right when you clamp the master cylinder down, it'll pinch the wire. So I'm going to go ahead and split that open and check the harness, check the wiring up under there. And simple thing, you know. Check the fuse. Fuse is blown, you know you got a short, so it's shorted right there. As soon as I took it off and felt it, I was like, yep, I done pinched the damn thing. So just be careful of that and make sure you got the harness up in the indent here. It's a common mistake. I've done it. I've seen other guys do it a lot, even at the dealership. Guys still do it. You just get in a hurry and you want to get done with something and you accidentally pinch a damn wire. That's all it is. So let's split this thing open and see. Thing pretty good. There's a little wire tie down in here that if you clip that wire tie off, you can get more access to the harness there. So I'm going to have to skin this, trim this conduit off here, and we'll solder that wire back together. I actually clipped it all the way through, so I'm going to go ahead and strip it and solder it. You can't really, you really can't use a butt connector in there, so if you don't know how to solder, learn how. And use good heat shrink, like especially glue type heat shrink. So we'll do that. Got it all soldered back together and taped up. So I'm going to go ahead and slap it on there. Now when you do it, make sure there's a little indent on your bars there. Make sure that everything's perfectly in there before you actually clamp the master cylinder down. I thought I had it, but evidently not. So we'll go back and do it. I'm going to slap this on here now. Yep, works now. It's getting hot out here. Haven't eaten lunch yet. I'm going to go eat some lunch and then test ride this thing later today sometime. So, don't pinch your wires like I just did. Newbie damn mistake, but I did it anyway. Oh well. Guys, take care. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. That's it.